National Weather Service in Norman with a special statement regarding the tornadic supercells going on across central Oklahoma. A line of thunderstorms producing tornadoes will be moving into central Oklahoma late this afternoon. Estimated times of arrival are as follows. Tornadic supercells entering the western sides of the Oklahoma City metro area between 4:15 and 5 o'clock. Tornadic supercells threatening downtown Oklahoma City between 4:45 and 5:15, Edmond 4:45 to 5:15, Norman and Moore 5 to 5:45, the Enid area 3:45 to 4:15, Chickasha 4 to 4:30, El Reno 4 to 4:30, and Guthrie 4:45 to 5:30. Damaging tornadoes are occurring in parts of western and central Oklahoma. Additional thunderstorms are developing to the south of these storms, all the way down toward Lawton and Wichita Falls. These storms will intensify, become tornadic supercells, and approach the Oklahoma City metro area later this afternoon. This is a serious situation. Pay close attention to the weather. If you hear a tornado warning or are threatened by a tornado, do not hesitate to take shelter. Your life may depend on it. Once again, tornado warnings are in effect. Expect additional tornado warnings. Dangerous, deadly tornado outbreak is underway. This is the National Weather Service in Norman. This is the National Weather Service in Norman. A damaging, violent tornado is approaching western sides of the city of El Reno at this time. If you're in El Reno, anywhere along and north of Interstate 40, you need to take immediate shelter at this time. Get as low as you can. Get underground if possible. If you cannot get underground, take shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Put as many walls between you and the tornado as you possibly can. This is a large, violent, damaging tornado that's moving into western side of the city of El Reno at this time. Tornado has crossed or is crossing Interstate 40 at the current time and moving northeast. If you're in El Reno, especially the north and west sides of the city of El Reno, you need to take immediate tornado precautions. Do not wait. Do not look for the tornado. Take cover now. Also, tornado will be moving up toward the Concho area and eventually up toward Okarche. So Canadian County definitely under a serious threat of a dangerous, violent tornado at this time. If you're in El Reno or anywhere in the western half of Canadian County, a large, violent tornado is moving northeast across the western side of El Reno and up toward the Concho and Okarche area. Take cover immediately if you're in this area. This is National Weather Service in Norman. An hour.
A tornado warning remains in effect till 4:45 p.m. for northern Canadian County. At 4:23 p.m., a large violent tornado was located 5 miles southwest of Concho, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Persons in and near Concho, El Reno, Piedmont, and northern parts of Yukon should take shelter immediately. Locations in the warning include Calmont, Concho, El Reno, northwestern Oklahoma City, Okarche, Piedmont, Richland, and Yukon. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 115 and 136. Repeating once again, tornado warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. for northern Canadian County.
Norman weather, National Weather Service in Norman. A tornado is on the ground on the south side of the city of Chickasha at this time, currently crossing Highway 81. Oklahoma Highway Patrol and spotters are reporting a tornado on the ground on the south side of the city of Chickasha, crossing Highway 81 at this time. This is a dangerous situation if you're on the south side of Chickasha or in areas to the east of Chickasha, over around Tabler, and areas east of Chickasha, eventually over toward Middleburg, Dibble, Cole, and Blanchard. This is a dangerous situation. A tornado is occurring now on the south side of the city of Chickasha, moving toward the east, northeast. This will affect areas of central Grady County, east of Chickasha, up toward the Middleburg and Blanchard areas. Take immediate tornado precautions. Move inside a sturdy building. Put as many walls between you and the tornado as possible. Use pillows, blankets, mattresses to cover your head and body. Use helmets if you have those to protect yourself. Again, a dangerous situation with a tornado on the south side of Chickasha, just crossed Highway 81, moving toward the east-northeast in the general direction of Middleburg and Blanchard. This is National Weather Service in Norman.
Tornado warning remains in effect till 6 p.m. for western McLean and eastern Grady counties. At 5:30 p.m., National Weather Service radar detected a severe thunderstorm with strong indications of a tornado. This storm is 3 miles west of Bradley, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include Alex, Bradley, Cole, Kreener, Dibble, Goldsby, and Washington. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 101 and 106. Repeating once again, tornado warning remains in effect till 6 p.m. for western McLean and eastern Grady counties.
National Weather Service in Norman. A dangerous tornado is located near Washington, Oklahoma at this time, and is moving northeast. This is a damaging tornado, and if you're in the path of this tornado, you need to take immediate tornado precautions. Get inside a sturdy building. Put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Use pillows, blankets, mattresses to cover your head and your body. This is a serious, dangerous situation as this tornado continues to move toward the northeast. People in Washington need to be in your tornado shelters right now. People also to the northeast of Washington need to take immediate tornado precautions. This is National Weather Service in Norman.